Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 9th, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant move, crypto industry leaders and senior White House officials gathered for a virtual roundtable to discuss future cryptocurrency policies and address grievances. Organized by Representative Ro Khanna, the meeting saw the attendance of notable figures such as U.S. Deputy Secretary of the Treasury, Wally Adeyemo, and National Economic Council Director Lael Brainerd. This marks a notable increase in participation compared to previous meetings. Executives from Ripple, Uniswap, Circle, and Coinbase, along with billionaire Mark Cuban, represented the crypto sector. The discussions focused on regulatory actions, job creation, and the economic impact of crypto policies. Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, urged the White House to support bipartisan legislation aimed at regulating the crypto industry, emphasizing the urgency as the election season approaches. The Republican Party has shown support for crypto, while Vice President Kamala Harris's team is also engaging with the industry. This meeting is seen as a step forward in the dialogue between the crypto sector and the Biden administration, highlighting the growing significance of cryptocurrency in political discussions. Next, we dive into an insightful article from A16Z Crypto, which serves as a comprehensive guide to understanding and launching tokens in the Web3 space. The guide emphasizes the importance of cautious token design and launches due to the evolving nature of best practices. It covers various aspects of tokens, including their role in compensation, financial models for Web3 applications, and strategies for structuring token rights to avoid predatory deals. Key topics include the do's and don'ts of token design, the complexities of incorporating tokens into compensation strategies, and the need for clear definitions of token rights in financing agreements. The article also discusses the development of new financial models for application tokens, which differ from well-established models for infrastructure tokens. Additionally, it highlights the risks associated with token launches, including regulatory challenges and potential costly legal issues. The guide aims to equip entrepreneurs with the knowledge to navigate the complexities of token launches while maximizing their potential benefits. Moving on, a thread by Messari Crypto explores the burgeoning intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and cryptocurrency. In July 2024 alone, $230 million was invested in various AI and crypto projects, with many now valued over $1 billion. Key components of this intersection include decentralized compute networks, model coordination platforms, AI tools and services, and consumer and enterprise applications leveraging AI models. The thread emphasizes the need for stronger server infrastructure in the crypto space to meet the increasing performance demands of blockchain applications, particularly for newer chains like Avalanche and Solana. It notes that decentralized storage networks face challenges in commercialization, necessitating the use of data centers for improved performance. Additionally, the thread touches on scalability in crypto, with a focus on Solana's unique approach to enhancing transaction throughput through the development of a new validator client. The potential growth of the zero-knowledge proofs market and the introduction of new protocols aimed at reducing transaction costs are also discussed, indicating ongoing innovation in the space. In a recent thread, Lane discussed a critical security vulnerability and subsequent patch disclosed on the Solana network. The disclosure occurred after a supermajority of stake, over 70%, had already been patched to secure the network. Initial outreach began on August 7, 2024, when members of the Solana Foundation contacted various stakeholders to inform them of the upcoming patch. They provided a hashed message to confirm the incident's details and a specific timeline for when the patch would be available. The patch was shared on August 8, 2024, at 14 UTC, along with instructions for downloading and verifying the patch files. The outreach efforts were extensive, involving multiple core members of the Solana community to ensure timely communication and confidentiality. The successful patching of 70% of the stake before public disclosure highlights the effectiveness of the Solana community's response to vulnerabilities. Lane emphasized the importance of communication within the decentralized network, noting that many validators are active on platforms like Discord and Telegram. This incident showcases the high-quality engineering efforts by various teams within the Solana ecosystem, ensuring the network's security and stability. Lastly, in a recent thread, @Campbell J. Austin responds to Gary Winslet's inquiry about the value of cryptocurrency, particularly for middle-class Americans who believe in the current financial system. Austin argues that the US government's stance on crypto is overwhelmingly negative, likening it to an extrajudicial campaign against the technology. He highlights that the Biden administration has effectively classified tokens as securities without proper legal backing, leading to a situation where crypto companies struggle to operate. Furthermore, he points out that banks have been pressured to close accounts of crypto firms, which he compares to actions taken during the Bernie Madoff scandal. Austin criticizes the administration for its selective enforcement, noting that while major fraud cases like FTX and Celsius went largely unpunished initially, compliant companies like Coinbase faced scrutiny. He also mentions a significant SEC case where the agency was sanctioned for perjury, illustrating a troubling pattern of misconduct. He argues that the current financial system is rigged against average users who are unaware of the risks associated with their bank deposits, which are often used for risky loans. Austin concludes by questioning why banks have a monopoly on the payment system and suggests that the existing financial framework is fundamentally flawed, advocating for a re-evaluation of how financial services operate in relation to cryptocurrency. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Stay informed and stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time.